Hello everybody and welcome to Wixpa Google Shopping Feed. In this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve account level issues. So let's get started with the process. If there are any issues with your Google Merchant Center account, they will appear in your Wixpa feed. So I'm clicking on view. You can see the account issues here like this one, missing business address. And to resolve this issue, you have to click on go to Merchant Center. Here you have to click on business info and then click on edit business details. You have to fill out all these required attributes regarding your business, but make sure you provide your own address so that you don't face any further issue. I'm copying my address and then pasting it here. You can see I have provided all the details. And now my details are showing here. Now let's move back to our app and click on refresh account status. You can see the banner is removed from here. It means the issue has been resolved. But for more confirmation, let's reload the page. You can see no issue is showing here. So this is how you can resolve your GMC account issues like missing business address. You will also see some other issues here like missing value and missing shipping information. But we will talk about them in detail in the next video. So stay tuned with us and don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app. And thank you for watching this video.